Hello, Aqua Friends. Miss Jen here, coming to you from her car. A little sweaty. Wanted to give you a quick update where I was today. I had the honor and the privilege of working with a great group of people, the Master Gardeners, the Penn State Extension Master Gardeners, which I am a volunteer for. We had the opportunity to come work at the Flight 93 Memorial Gardens today to get ready for the 20-year anniversary. It is a hot day. It is a very somber day, but we had a great time. It was a privilege to be able to clean up and work outside in the dirt. I know we don't have dirt in the lab, but it was a privilege to work outside. I hope that some of the things that we can teach you in the lab that you will be able to take out into the community and get to do some of these rewarding things. Hope to see you back in the lab where it's a little cooler than out here. I'm out of here from Somerset County.